Fall is finally here. And with Halloween being just around the corner, people are buzzing with excitement over the upcoming festivities. Here at DGS, clubs are preparing for the upcoming Trunk or Treat event that occurs every year right before Halloween.
So the Trunk or Treat is a fabulous event that Downers Grove South has been offering for 11 years for our larger community. It is run by all of our leaders in our clubs. So the clubs all decorate a trunk and then they also play a game.
About 69% of Americans tend to join in on Halloween festivities, and these numbers tend to show to be true at DGS's Trunk or Treat, which is why clubs, like LSU, are already busily preparing for the event.
What ideas do you have?
So the trunk or treat consists of planning. We plan a theme. We try to avoid themes we've done in the past. So we've done the Day of the Dead in the past, like a Coco theme, an enchanted forest theme. So this year we chose our Monsters Inc. theme. So that's kind of our process. It takes a couple weeks. We choose a theme, we choose a game, and then we make our stuff. We don't get a big budget to spend on stuff, so we make a lot of our things. So we spend quite a few meetings at the LSU prepping for the trunk or treat.
This is like a community-wide thing, you know. There's children involved, there's adults involved, there's us involved, and you know, this is like a volunteer-based activity for our members. So I think it brings everyone together. We get to bond over candy or bond over some silly games. You know, I think it's such like a memorable thing to be a part of.
In Downers Grove, with the DGS Blueprint Network, I'm Stephanie Hernandez, signing off.